Today we are going to do an escape room. We're multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. So when you are doing this, you're going to go to the top of the page and the arrows are right here. The mission objective. Look out, a witch wants to brew your whole class for her Halloween potion. In order to escape, you must use your skills with multiplication to convince her to let you go. Answer the questions at each level and be sure to record each answer. Once all levels are complete, retrieve the completion code to break out and save the day. You must hurry and escape before you are thrown into the witch's cauldron. So, you're going to need a scratch paper and number level 1, Q1, your answer. So, our first answer is going to be 16 times 1 is 16. So, this pumpkin guy would be the answer. You need to just write 16, number 1, 16, or level 1, Q1, 16, and the pumpkin. Just put P for pumpkin if you want to shorten it. Okay, question or level 1, question 2, you're recording your answer. Remember, we do 3 times 4, then we carry the 1 and do 4 times 2, add the 1, so it would be 8 plus 1 is 9. The answer is 92. So you would check out the next answer, and it looks like it's a zombie, and you would put 92. Do the same thing here. You would put level 1, question 3, or Q3, and then level 1, Q4. After you recorded those answers, I'm just letting you know on page 10, if you click ahead, you're going to put those answers here, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Because this is level 1. This is level 1, and here are your answers. Okay, level 2. You solve each problem and then write the matching letter on the blank above the answer. So for this, you just hit this text and you can write your answer here. So 6 times 6 is 36. I have to carry the 3. Then 7 times 6 is 42 plus 3 would be 45. And then I'm just as long as it's on text, you should be able to click under here and just type your answer in. 5 times 7 is 35. You carry the 3 up here. It actually allows you. I wasn't sure if it would allow you. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 3 would be 59. So you're going to do this, and then if you scroll down, you look for your answers. So 456 would be right here. So that letter next to it is an A. So I'm going to put A here. And then 595. Let me double check to make sure I did this one right. So it looks like they're not using every single numbers because 595 is not down here, and that's okay. So going back up here then, going to level 3, it says use your answers to guide you to the end of the maze to make your escape. So you will type for the last page though, you will write your answer here for level 2. And then level 3, you're going to have to write your answers here. It says write the correct pathway of letters to finish line draw arrows between each box. So for this one, you would still figure your answer out on a scratch piece of paper. 4 times 2 is 8, and then 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer is 68. So this would not be right because this is 58 and the answer was 68. This would not be right because it's 66 because the pumpkin bag represents 6. Down here, this would be our right answer, 68, because the pumpkin bag stands for 6 and the spider stands for 8. So then from here, we go to here. So 9 times 3 is 27, so you put a 7, and then carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 would be 20. So it's 207. And which way do I go? Do I go this way or do I go this way? 200. So I need a 2, and the candy corn is not a 2, so it'd be this way. Frankenstein's face first, because it represents 2. 207. So it'd be down here. And then I would try to just get out of this maze. Just do the same thing I just showed you. So you have to figure out which way you go. Do you go up this way? Or I'm sorry. Yes, do you go up this way or do you go across? And then oops, you'll come back to this final page and it says, congratulations, enter the completion code to make your escape. So when you have reached the end here, see your completion code should be I forgot to tell you that you have to put the letters here and how you're for the correct pathway that it took you to get to the finish line. So what I need you to do is after you put from slide 9, there are letters here, and you want to write those letters down on these boxes here. And you do not need to put anything in this box. Just complete this, and this activity, and then turn it in. And that is all you have to do for today. Thanks. There also is this page. I mean, you can, if you want, you can highlight with the pencil, what character belongs to each number. So you're just going to complete these activities, and that will be all for today. Let me know if you have any questions.